On 9 September 2025, who was elected as India's Vice President? B. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Which city topped the million plus category in Swachh Vayu Sarvekshan 2025? B. Indore. India and which country recently signed a MOU on cooperation in space exploration? C. UAE. Which Indian city will host the World Dairy Summit 2026 announced in September 2025? D. Ahmedabad. Which Indian cricketer was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? B. Virendra Sehwag. On 10 September 2025, which international body released the Global Education Monitoring Report 2025? B. UNESCO. Which Indian state topped in the Niti Aayog's Expert Preparedness Index 2025? C. Tamil Nadu. Who won the 2025 US Open Men's Single title? D. Jannik Sinner. India recently became the world's third largest solar power generator, overtaking which country? B. Japan. The India International Trade Fair 2025 will be held in which venue? A. Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. The World Hindi Conference 2025 will be hosted by which country? B. Mauritius. Which foreign country did India sign a MOU with for construction of emergency medical unit? A. Sri Lanka. Which country is organizing the military exercise Zapad 2025? A. Russia. Which state's chief minister launched phase 2 and phase 2 of Godavari water project? A. Telangana.